Kumno borong apa yang sumbah yang ipi ha ka YouTube channel jonga English with Ruddy. Ha kani ka video ngalapan kreat ki senten ki bangi jupun non kam berabor ha ka ketin English. Rengkat bat kini ngalas naru ki audio recording. Ki balong ha ka American but British accent. Ti da syashkor bha bat kan khambha shibun lada pisngap yang kini ar ne laisien khna banyo jing mentoy. Ngalatho ya barok ki senten ha ka ketin English, rengkat bat ke translation ha ka ketin Khasi. Ngalapia ya kini ki senten ha ar benta. Ha ka spoken English bat ka formal English. Ti ali mentang ini sedang no bat ngenya pej bat syak skor ya kini ki senten ha ka spoken English bat ka formal English.
How's it going?
I'm good. Thanks. You?
I've got to run. Catch you later.
Sure. See you around. Let me think.
Sure, take your time.
I didn't get that.
Would you like me to repeat it?
Let's meet at 5 p.m.
Sounds good.
Sorry I'm late.
No worries. Thank you.
Don't mention it. I'm sorry for my mistake.
It's no big deal.
We should leave early to avoid traffic.
That makes sense. Do you know where Henry is?
I have no idea. Hello, Mr. Stark. I hope you're doing well.
I'm fine, thank you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you as well.
I appreciate your time.
I'm glad I could help.
Thank you for your assistance.
You're most welcome.
Allow me to introduce my colleague Mr. Dale. Mr. Dale, this is Miss White.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Dale.
It's a pleasure to meet you too.
Shall we begin?
Certainly.
Let's get started, shall we?
Certainly.
Thank you all for being here.
Thank you for organizing this meeting.
I'd like to start this meeting by discussing today's agenda.
Please proceed.
Tikum lu bisungo halor kajing hikai hakani ka video. Sung bahaya tu lam yang ha ka comment section harum. Ti wat liklat ban like, share, dan subscribe ya ka channel jonga. Kublish bun ngin saya kenduk pat.